Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we start work on our cabin in the woods. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the video.
I'll be your cameraman.
Okay, keep it up. There we go.
Down?
Yep.
You tried to steal my foot.
Like
Alright, can you guide the
This
end in the
much?
hole? Alright.
this much nails? Right in the middle of the camera.
There's some scissors there. Right behind you.
Trying to cut it.
I think you would.
Sounds like something's being cut. And got it. Oh, a little more. Nice. Oh, there.
It'll hold out till it gets built. I didn't guide it in the hole though. Can you help me hit the hole?
Good?
Good-ish.
Alright. Hammer?
Come on, buddy. I'm just gotta hold that and then I gotta get the board.
Alright. Two. How many nails do I need? How many you want? Four?
Board be nice.
That's four. I can count.
You went to ICC too, huh?
Huh? What did he say? What did he say?
ICC. I can count. The college at East Peoria.
ICC, but it's college.
I know. Mom just told me that.
Yeah, ICC, I can count. But they can't.
Hey, some of them can.
Really? How's your mathing skills?
I can math.
Yeah?
Can you math?
Yeah.
Okay, who can count?
I don't know. Email or something, probably.
Much nails there.
Oh, that's fine.
Nail.
So good?
One more if you need
Yeah, no, that's perfect. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need more nails, bud.
it.
All right, now allegedly, when we pick this board up, it should be the same across.
I got 5 more.
Should be flush on your end and hopefully flush on my end. I might have to smack this over a little bit or a little bit. Either way,
Allegedly.
allegedly.
Fine. Nail. Single nail. Hammer?
Well, you can just leave that there and we'll just put this up on there
Sorry.
and hold that flush on your end and then I'll,
Hammer?
yeah, because I got to pick this other end up. There, you want to pick that other end up? Hand me those nails.
Here.
See if you can lift that end up. I'll help you.
There's a nail right here.
Lift.
It's gonna catch on.
Lift. Lift.
Lift?
Yep.
Oh, heavy. Flush.
No, I don't need any of the string bud.
dang roots though.
Oh, there's so many trees. You want to grab them?
Yeah, please. They like you, Tater. You're voted ugliest dog on YouTube. 2 years in a row. And you're not even 2 yet. Well, that's how ugly you are. Oh. All right.
Yep.
Pack it. Gosh dang roots. Then they'll rip your arm off. Push all this back from the edge. Scoop all this out. You got littler hands. It's got a nail in it, be careful. Alright, I'll use that nail to nail it into it. Everybody grab this hammer
Hammer?
right here, and that square, the corner square. No, the orange one, bud. Oh, we got all the leveling devices. You'll add all accurate set. Okay, yeah, we'll drop that in the hole with the rag. Hold on here. We're gonna go on the hole, just like that. Hey, just move that camera so it can see. Ooh, that was a tight one. Okay, hold on, let me pack it in.
Right here look good?
Alright, hold on, bud. I gotta rotate this a little bit so it's square. Okay. Got it?
I think both of those boards have a nail in them already.
Hammer, bud?
Hammer?
You
It's over
had
there.
it. Right here.
Hammer. Something fall off the nail?
Yeah, buddy, it was a washer. Alright, and that other board there.
Now go this side on the bottom.
Alright, take it that way.
Down here.
Thanks, dude.
Well, back to being cameraman. One.
Okay, I'm flush here.
I'm flush with this thing, not with the outside wood.
Looks good.
That's what you want.
Looks good.
Get a nail started in this. Alright,
Up. Yep, perfect.
right
Down.
there.
Perfect, right there.
Get a second nail on this.
Perfect, right here.
Nail your end.
It should actually be in the middle of the wood, bud.
Yeah, get in the middle of the log or the board.
Right here?
Got it?
Yep. Let me get this nail started, bud.
Good, good.
Hold on.
Up.
Right there. You
Up
sure?
a little.
Up. A little.
There you go.
Right there?
Good. Yep, perfect.
All right, you want to flush that in down there, dear, and then I'll. Well, I guess I can. Yeah, just make sure yours is flush, and I'm gonna nail this end in.
Flush with this or flush with the outside wood?
Outside wood.
Okay.
Good. Exactly in the middle.
Get back on there.
Middle of the wood, bud.
Middle of the wood. Perfect.
That looks awesome.
Yep.
All
Exactly in the middle. Perfect.
right, let me get a couple more nails in it.
Look.
I believe you, dude.
You see it, Mom? Isn't that perfect?
This is the most unlevel ground I've ever seen.
Oh, there's way more on level ground than this. How about I need a handful of nails? I'm gonna nail the crap out of this.
Handful of nails.
Then we're gonna mix up some concrete.
Handful of nails. Not good enough?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for part 2, where we start to get more work done on this cabin. I hope you guys all have a great day.